It's a super nice day out today, and I got nothing better to do, so I thought I'd set up my awning that I just picked up for my Pathfinder. I used to have an ARB one, like a smaller one. It only came out to like here to here. It was the 1250 ARB awning, and then I ended up selling it because I wanted a bigger one, and then I ordered it, and then it didn't come in because it was out of stock. So I picked up this guy the other day. It's pretty dope. Kind of a funny story. I was like in the middle of ordering it online. I saw this thing on Amazon, and I clicked on their website, and anyways, I clicked on their website, and then it said they're located on Vancouver Island, which is where I live. And then I messaged them and just asked if I could come pick it up, and they're in my city. And I'm like, damn, all right, I'll just whip over there, pick up the awning, and toss on my car. So it worked out pretty well. It's got like the full awning. It's dope because it comes with mounting brackets, which is sick. See if I can like focus on that a bit. But it comes with these mounting brackets. And then what else has it got? It's got all the hardware. You got like the ropes to go with the pegs to mount it in the ground. It even comes with a wrench. Just fucking sick. I don't really need it, but... And then, yeah, it's got all the hardware here, which is awesome because the ARB one I had didn't come with like anything, so I had to go to Home Depot, make like a super janky setup. I ended up just having to like mount it onto these holes that I drilled right here. And they're getting all rusty now because it's just like exposed metal, but hopefully this thing goes well. But anyways, yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna use these brackets that they gave me, and if I go get up here, and I think I'm gonna like put it, oh, hold on, let me focus. I'm gonna put it through like this, something along those lines, and kind of like put a screw in there, and then I don't know, maybe a screw in there too, and then just have them poking out a bit. It's better than these janky holes. I had to drill right in here. It's getting like so rusty. So yeah, I'll be a bit better than that, but I'll figure something out, yeah. Oh, it's pretty big. It's way bigger than my last one. It's like half the size, but it's 8 feet by 8 feet. I'm digging it. It's gonna be so nice, like surf trips and stuff. It's like I don't have to like have my cold ass out in the rain, do some meth and stuff, maybe like crack cocaine. I still don't know how I'm gonna mount it. I'm gonna have to come up with something janky. Actually, I got an idea. I'm gonna see if I can, if like the holes that I already drilled in here, like these guys, I'm gonna see if those match up with like the distance in this rail here. So like, anyways, I put these guys in here, and then on the other side you just like put these through the brackets like this, fuck, like that, you know, and then toss your locking nut on the other side. So the distance between these rails is like 1 3/4 inches, and like the holes I already have in there, 1 3/4 inches. So I should be able to like use the same holes, mount it on there. That's one of them. I think I have to go a little bit bigger, just a little wee bit. Okay, so now I'm using a 5/16 bit. Hopefully this works a bit better. I want to get this shit done. Oh, that's perfect. That's like dead perfect. All right, that's exciting. We're getting somewhere. Okay, that's 2 down. That was dope. I'm just gonna skip the whole bracket part. I wish I could put a bracket on there, but I don't really have anywhere to like mount it on my roof basket. But usually if you got like crossbars or something, you can use this, which is like way handier than having to drill into your roof basket and get like a fuck ton of rust everywhere. Well, I got these guys in here, and these guys here, and pretty much these are just gonna go into these holes that I just drilled here. There and there. This was the biggest pain in the ass when I had my last awning, is when I was setting up my ARB one, is like lining up these bolts with like the hole you just drilled. It's a pretty big pain in the ass, but like once it's done, it's done. But hopefully this one works a little bit better. Oh, damn it. Fuck. Oh. So actually the holes don't line up. I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do. Damn, I messed that one up. So I ended up throwing like a silly, goofy temper tantrum because I'm in like a silly, goofy mood today. But yeah, so like these holes I drilled, those guys didn't line up. So I ended up having to use the brackets actually. But it's like so janky, like I even said it was gonna be janky too, but like, so I'm just gonna focus on there. So yeah, I ended up having pretty much to drill straight through here like that, if you can see that, and then I had to drill into my clamp that holds down my basket to my crossbars. And yeah, I mean like it works, but it's like, it's pretty solid. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere, hopefully. But then these things, I got a bunch of holes in my basket now. But I was in the middle of drilling the last one here too, and then my drill just fucking died, so I'm pissed. Fucking pissed, bro. But it's gonna be huge. This is gonna be huge. It's gonna be substantial for the economy. But it's gonna look so ferta for the boys. It's gonna be so fucking fire. Here, buddy. Here, buddy. Jeez. That was satire. By the way, I was just joking around. I could never say that. But yeah, I'm just waiting for the drill to charge. Okay, I got one more hole to do. Charge up the battery. But yeah, pretty much, I don't know if you can see too well, but right over here. Oh shit. Half this video is just gonna be focusing on like all my fucking things I put on here. Okay. So yeah, if you can see here, I ended up drilling an extra hole right there to mount whatever this bracket. And then I drilled a hole in here into this side piece, like the side rail that comes out the bottom, so I can put a screw up there. I'll show you guys in a sec what I did. But yeah, it was kind of like more than I wanted to do, but as long as it like holds this awning on there and it doesn't fly off on the highway and like kill a whole family with 2 kids and a dog flying through their windshield, I think it'll be good. You know? There you go. That's nice. I like that. So then, I got this little guy. We'll zoom in a bit and I'll turn up the brightness. But yeah, I got this guy here. Pretty much. That should go up there. I hate that sound. Fuck, I'm gonna... Alright, so the kit comes with these things here. Put them on top like that. Tighten it down. And yeah, it's pretty handy that it has that. But yeah, so instead of having to go out and buy like some locking nuts and stuff, you can pretty much just put it on like that. Go like this. And yeah, you're pretty much chilling. I'll get these tightened down and then I'll show you how to mount the bracket. Alright, so now I got the brackets on, and I'm gonna put the awning on, and hopefully it lines up with it and everything. It is. That's nice. Now I'm gonna, hopefully it stays there. I'm gonna fasten it down, but it's so nice that it actually all fits on there. So you just grab a 13mm wrench and you just start tightening. This is when I wish I had a ratcheting wrench. Anyways, I'll get back to you in like an hour once this is all tightened. It's probably gonna take me the rest of the day. Well, I got it on and it looks sick. It's way bigger than my last one. It's like twice the size of my last one. My last one was tiny. It was like my last ARB one. The ARB 1250 is the one that like just goes over the back here. But yeah, I'm stoked. Looks fucking sick. Looks awesome. But yeah, I pretty much put it in like that and just put the bracket like that. And yeah, I'm pretty stoked with how it turned out. Now I can like post up in parking lots and like open my awning up, do some dope overland shit, like post up on that rock over there, just squat it out, stance it out. Yeah, it's gonna be sick. Also have my jack to put back on there for when I do my crazy like off-road stuff, my crazy like overland off-road stuff, because I'm gonna get so many flats and like get stuck everywhere. It's all set up now, so I'm pretty stoked. It's like, it looks big. It's like, it's huge. It's huge. But yeah, it's sick. I'm stoked on it. But yeah, it's pretty much it. That's all. Yeah, that's it. You know, that's yep. Look at what my neighbors fucking got. This thing is sick. They got like a full overland trailer. It's super cool. It's got the full 270 degrees awning on the side, like beadlocks, and like it's decked out. And I mean, this is enough for me. But yeah, I'm stoked on it. And but pretty much these things swing out this way, and then you just screw them in through here, and same with this side. They just thread in through here like that, and yeah, these legs here, they just kick out that way like that, and then it's just telescopic. It's just telescopic legs. You just like twist them right to lock them. Yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. I love you. I love you guys. I love you so much. See you later. I love you a lot. Like so much. I'll see you later. Bye.